Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something that I'm super impressed with, and that is my Pat McGrath's lipstick, especially the shade name. Couple of days back I just posted a video on the trio pack lip pack from Pat McGrath, which I got from Sephora Canada, and these are the three items that were included in that pack: the lip liner, the lip gloss, and of course the lipstick. I just wanted to provide an update on that because I'm super impressed with the quality, yes, but with the lip color. And you know what, whenever I just want to go for a lipstick, most of the time it happens that I am gravitated towards the brightest shades of orange, fuchsia, reds. But this shade, I wouldn't have picked up this shade if I would browse through the website, because it looks very muted to me on the website, and I really had to search for this shade on the website to see the full size of it. And I'm going to apply all the three products on my lips today, and you will see the effect of it. It's so beautiful. Absolutely versatile color, because when you want to create something which is absolutely fun on the eyes, or you want to play with the colors around your eyes, and you want to go for something which is very muted yet it will balance the whole look, this shade would be the perfect one. And let me show you the application right away. I wanted to upload this video because I really want you to know that if you are going for Pat McGrath lipstick, please consider this shade, because it is going to be that shade which would get you covered throughout the year, of course. But when you want something very soft, or you want to pair it up with something very smoky, it is going to be that shade which would please you and which would always complement the makeup looks that you would like to create, be it a soft glam or absolutely glamorous or absolutely editorial. The color now, I'm filling in the color with this pencil first. I do not go for neutrals that often. I stick to peaches or corals when it comes to neutrals. If I want to keep it simple, most of the time I reach out for reds. So this is that perfect, toasted almond kind of shade, which has got the perfect amount of warmth to it. And another point that just came in my mind, that there are a couple of shades that might make you feel a little bit, or make you look a little bit tired, but this is that kind of shade. Even if you are tired, if you put this on, it will just brighten up the whole face, and it will stress your eyes in a very beautiful way. So you will see the effect now. I got this small lipstick from Pat McGrath. I am impressed, very much impressed, and of course I'm planning on that I would add couple of shades from the brand. Now many of you may already have this shade, and you know how it feels. It's very luxurious, comfortable, and it adds that healthy shine back to the lips, and lips really feel very alive. Perfect amount of creaminess. These are the mattes that just win my heart, because it does not take away anything from the lips. I like healthy shine, glow on my lips, be it summer, be it fall, be it winter, whatever the season is. I want my lips to look plumped up, healthy, beautiful. And of course, matte lipsticks are my favorite because they're very easy to manage. And these are the lipsticks that are luxurious, easy to manage, easy to apply. And I like the cut also. It's very beautiful and very precise. Instantly I can feel that it adds back that plumpness. Look at the shade. on my skin tone. If you are my skin tone, I think when you browse through, you may find that the shade is a little bit muted. Would this work on my skin tone? But this is a shade that I think that would be flattering on everyone. It's so versatile, so universal, beautiful shade. I have got nothing like this because I am telling you, right, that most of the time it happens that I go for those shades that I know that I would wear that often, especially the reds, the oranges, the fuchsias and all. And my current favorite is coral. But now I am in love with this shade. It's like that perfect amount of color, the rosewood color, the warmth in it. It is just very flattering, very flattering. I got it in a kit, so I'm going to use this as well. But you can wear it just like that and feel wonderful. An update on this feels very apt to me because, you know, the lipstick is absolutely high quality lipstick. You will find everything that you would want from a beautiful luxury lipstick and that you really expect from Pat McGrath, right? But the shade, especially I want to stress on this shade because for me it's a really surprising element, and the shade is so pretty. So I'm going to use that, and you know, I'm feeling a little bit excited. This is an unexpected color for me, and I actually went for this one. From that trio, this was my winning element of that trio. It's still available on Pat McGrath's site, and I bought this whole trio because of this Astral Gloss. Heard a lot about the glosses from Pat McGrath. I wanted to try one. This is a full size and it is going to last forever. Color looks very pretty. It has got that shift. So that's why I went for it. And these two, I thought, yeah, a good lip pencil is always a win. You can use it for neutrals, you know. And this would be a chance for me to try Pat McGrath's lipstick. So yeah, very nice. But the shade is a winner now, and I cannot tell you how much I am in love with the lipstick, yes, but with the shade. So check out Flesh 5 if you are planning to get something, a lipstick from Pat McGrath. That is a beautiful shine. It locks in the color, it fills in the lines you may have. Just look at that. It's not at all sticky. I'm pairing it with almost every lipstick that I'm wearing these days. Whenever it is a you know, traditional lipstick, I'm just adding this because I'm just loving the effect of it. It is enhancing my lips and in a very beautiful way. So that's about it. A little bit more. And the best part is each one, the lip pencil, the lip gloss and the lipstick. And as you can see, it hardly takes a tiny amount of it, and I just took a lot of it. I find it a little bit sticky on my cheeks, but I can manage it. That's why I just love to apply it on my cheek as well. But on the lips, it just goes on like a beautiful vinyl finish lip gloss, locks in the color, plump it up, everything that you would expect from a luxe lip gloss. So I'm going to use it on my cheek as well because I just love the effect of it very much. It works like a liquid highlighter for me. I really enjoy it. I have never tried it straight from the tube because I feel that I can control it with a lip brush better, and that's why I use it with the lip brush. And even if I'm left with something that I do not want to waste, I can totally use it on my cheek. It is not a cheek product, but I love to use it on my cheek, and of course it should feel okay to your skin. It feels okay to me and my skin loves it, so I'm fine. And I just love the effect of it on my skin. So a little bit of that, just healthy shine back on top of this, of course. Still available, and if you are new to Pat McGrath just like me, you can totally check this out and find for yourself whether you like it, because I think you would love the formula. Definitely you would love the formula, and this shade, you will fall in love with this shade because it is that beautiful shade that you can wear throughout the year. And of course, needless to say that it is a very summer apt shade, and you can pair it with a lot of different eye looks. So on that note, I'm saying bye to you. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press on the notification bell because you want that notification to watch my new videos. And there are so many beautiful products are coming, and I'm very excited for the summer sale products from Sephora, and that would be a fun video too. So if you want to check, if you want to know what I picked up from the summer sale, definitely tune in on Wednesday, because that's when I'm going to post the video, and for that you have to be present. And of course, leave a comment on Pat McGrath lipstick shades, because I think I'm going to go for Elson 2. And now that I already have Flesh 5, and it is going to last for couple of months, more than that, but I'm interested in Elson 5, so I'm going to go for that. Elson 2, right? Yeah, I would catch up with you soon.